Computer science for me is more about solving problems, like solving software problems, or maybe there are people who are interested in networks. You can work on that. A lot of emphasis these days is on artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science related stuff. So if you are interested, or if you think you want to make a career in a few of these fields, you can like take up computer science. Wake up, cook something, because I generally study in the library. So I cook something, and then I arrive in the library by say 11:30 in the morning, and then I work through like study throughout the day. And there are some team projects that go on, so you have to meet the team. Then there are some sessions to attend. They are generally in the afternoon, so I attend them too. And then I'm back by like say 8 or 9 p.m. at home. You need to finish 32 credits, and there are like three mandatory courses out of like, and each course is 4 credits. So in all you need to finish eight courses, and out of those three are mandatory. So registration happens in like a few minutes, like in a couple of minutes. So it's difficult if you miss that point, if you're not there at that moment to register. But then there are wait lists, and wait lists do get cleared. So depends on what kind of course you're taking. If you really feel that you do not want to pursue this degree but some other degree, it's easy if you do that in the first, after at the end of the first semester. I know a couple of people who've done that. I think most of the students specialize in data science, and then there is a specialization in security that people are very fond of. It depends completely on the course, but there are like some. So every course has a course number associated with it, and if you go with that course number, like a 5,000 level course, a 6,000 level course, or a 7,000 level, so as you go higher the intensity like increases. The 4 and 5,000 courses are more towards the undergrad level, so you will find professors being a bit lenient, giving you some extensions on days when it's difficult to meet the deadlines. uh, After you get into the 6,000 and the 7,000 category, first of all the assignments get difficult. The projects are intensive because they expect a lot out of you. If you want to maintain a good GPA and but are not sure to, like, if you can manage heavy courses, you can take one heavy and one light course, so that you can focus more on the heavy course and spend a little less time on the lighter course and maintain a good GPA. That is what majority of the people do. Essential, you know, Java, Python, and JavaScript, and more on the web development end, because then knowing web development helps because you will get good like calls for job, because the market is in demand for JavaScript and similar frameworks which are being used right now.